Hi everyone, nice that you're here for another video. So in this video we will check if you can see who just unfollowed you on Instagram. So first of all, let's hop into Instagram. So maybe you're on Instagram and you see that your number of followers are getting smaller, but you can't find out specifically who it is. Let's hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. In this way I can make more videos for you. All right, I'm going to hop on Instagram, as you can see here. I'm going to my own profile over here. And you can see my followers here on top at 74. So I can search in the followers, if you can tap on that, different accounts which may have unfollowed me. So let's see here, for example, I'm going to seek Niels Helen. Well, I can see which ones are following me, and I can see, all right, someone has unfollowed me. But Instagram does not give you information specifically about who unfollowed you or give you an alert or notification. So if you have hundreds of accounts, you won't go search through them all. So it's really hard to figure it out on the Instagram app itself if you have a lot of followers. And there are a few third-party apps which you can use to check it. But in my opinion, I won't download these apps. You give them without you knowing a lot of information about you, such as login codes, but also permission to use your data, and you don't know how good their security is. And then all of the information, also photos and other stuff, are on the internet and out in public. So you can definitely search for someone specific over here in your Instagram friends list, and otherwise I won't recommend downloading third-party sites or apps that claims they can see who unfollowed you. Let's make the internet a bit safer place, you guys. Thanks for watching.